Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I teach calm, slow English for real life. Today is a mini lesson. We will learn when to use this or that. We use this or that to talk about the location of a single object. We use this for something that is close to us. This is my coffee. We use that for something that is not close to us or something that is far. That is the sun. This is my hot chocolate. That is a unique house. Thanks so much for learning with me today, English friends. Good job. See you tomorrow.